Hello everyone, you're humbly welcome back to my YouTube channel. To you all my subscribers, I say a very big thank you to you for all your support for the channel. If you're new to the channel, please, you're humbly welcome, and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the videos, share, and do not forget to click on the bell notification icon so that you get notified anytime a video is posted on this channel. Guys, you're all welcome to my village, Navrongo, in the Upper East region of Ghana. Today, I'll be sharing with you how groundnut oil or peanut oil is made right here in my village. This is one of the most popular cooking oils that is made in my village. Apart from shea butter, groundnut oil is one of the oils we use in cooking in my village. Peanuts or groundnuts are the main ingredient for making groundnut oil. It is manually roasted like what I am doing right now in my village. So, after the peanuts are roasted, they will later be sent to the grinding mill to get it into peanut butter or groundnut paste. So this is the next day after the groundnut has been roasted. Auntie had just returned from the grinding mill. Auntie here will be taking us through the process. She has been doing this job for so many years, and I'm so glad she agreed to take us through the process. So please kindly stay tuned so that you get to see how peanut oil or groundnut oil is made right here in my village. So right now, Auntie is just transferring the peanut butter into a pot. So right now, Auntie is just fetching some of the boiling water into the pot that is containing the groundnut paste. After that, she will then stir everything together. Vinegar. Wow. And I will keep it going before. Yani kita la mango muko masinda ankara. Mango tada la.
to now time nan taran to kana tunan to da ka na femra na ke na fina yeyo ikana oyi dan ta yasan ta ko to no sandan kana bana
so on to kuna baduma mun yaga na banki
na yon ta ko manga bibil mun yaga na banki ada ba kana bande de kana ko fufin
Tankuse apart from badala ma umwakle na omengu bedang la ma wan
ente tankuse ya mukulu ko ira man la kama kulu ko ira na ki kulu ko ba ka bana ya ko ba wa ma ki yezi pada araba dona tankuse franka to ba tankuse we
nalona bayira
ana kina zuranga kana sinto kawaja
so content is any fry to look on it
atika na la kama amade de one zulu wenu wa udi musu atanta kan la na
ti la
just like that
so any gwa yem sunkan woncho sunkan titre
na kiyere sunkan
ko wale tankuse mina kunu
ko tayoma na to tayoma yo sunkan ya na bana kira na kiyere na ko bada ada ba kanara
abayu
ai kana ojanda ai kusinya da na so ayo ya ona makal kama kabata zo
dombre na kwandu kan na kutide ati dada obo to kabika da wala man is really badan kun sa boro bina
badan sa boro pa
So, peanut butter can be used to make a lot of things. apart from the peanut oil, groundnut paste can also be used to make a delicious snack that is widely enjoyed in West Africa. And in Ghana, this particular snack can be found in the northern parts of Ghana. And it is popularly called kulikuli in northern Ghana. And most of us grew up enjoying this particular biscuit that is known as African biscuits. Yes, this snack is very delicious. So growing up in North, most of us used to cry on our mothers to buy us this particular snack, the kulikuli, anytime they go to the market. So most mothers would always buy this particular snack for their children anytime they go to the market. So I really grew up enjoying this particular snack, and I still do. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. And please do not forget to leave your comments, like the video, and share with your family and friends, as it goes a long way to help the channel. I really appreciate your support. Okay. A special thank you to everybody for always watching my videos. I really appreciate your support. Please kindly subscribe. Akia Lady there. I'll see you again in my next video on how to make kulikuli. Bye bye.